lighting us all up. Y'all are retarded.
Yeah, no, why did...
Let's
Hey,
go down
William's
there.
the one who told me, or William's the one who told me to shoot back. We need to go back. Do something else. This train.
Mine is to just outfire them. Fire everything we have out. We'll come to the maze or downhill.
Guys, get ready. No, guys, get ready.
Adam, what are you doing? Did you really just say frag out? Who said that?
Frag out!
Somebody watch our butts. We just can't walk like this. We heard them that way. Spencer, watch our butts.
This dog one.
Yeah, have fun doing that again.
I just dodged one.
Where is he?
He just
He's trying to
got
kill
one.
us there. Open your eyes.
Peter, dude, help. He's sitting there.
Peter, you have like the best gun. Get off. What's his known position?
We can tell he's that one.
Ken, you idiot. I almost shot you in the head.
Well, I can't get in there thing. He's like, shoot.
Can I get give me a good
No,
job?
me and you.
I'm a sniper.
No.
Hey, switch. Switch
No,
to me.
shut up, stay.
Oh, shut up.
He's right there. Look.
You kidding?
Whoa. Right there, y'all just shooting into nothing.
I don't know.
He's right there.
Is he really?
Yeah, he's two little Jewish kids.
Do you have it? I'm just wondering. I don't want to change it. Is there like a casket or something? I got thorns in my head.
You got me in the neck earlier. I still have a life. No.
It's on safety.
Stop zooming in.
Dude, you're retarded.
Where's my freaking leg?
Peter, it won't work. Stop zooming in on me. I'm not.
Why is he so hard to kill? I already hit him once. Two more
I know
lives.
there's like
guys.
20 of them.
There.
Where?
There. You're just going there. There's like a gigantic freaking barn.
Look where my gun's pointing.
There's nothing there.
Freaking ball.